Hi, my name is Ellen Thompson. I'm a registered dietitian at CHI Health. Today we're going to be talking about beets. Now beets have more of a bitter or earthy taste to them, but they're very adaptable. You can change them depending on what recipe that you're making. So you can eat them raw, you can pickle them, you can roast them, bake them, kind of however you prefer. They have a really nice deep red color, purple color, so that's really rich in antioxidants. They're also a great source of vitamin C, which is really important for skin health as well as immune function. Now you can eat the entire vegetable, so we always kind of cut off and discard the leaves, but wash them really well, slice them up, you can sauté them, add them to smoothies, use them in place of spinach or kale in whatever recipe that you're making. One more great thing about beets is research shows it can have improvements on your blood pressure. So that can be eating the whole vegetable itself or even from beet juice. So as you are ready to prepare or cut your beets, remember that that deep purple red color might stain your fingers temporarily or even your cutting surface, so just be prepared. Another tip would be you can get some like food grade gloves and wear those when you're cutting and save that purple redness from your hands. What we're going to do is you're going to cut the top part off first. Remember, we're going to save these leaves. We want to use, oh, there it goes. We're going to use all of these leaves, use it for cooking, blending, even cook them and freeze them for use at a later time. And then you're going to cut off this little root end here. And then you can see that nice pretty color inside. Prop it on top, and then you're just going to start to peel. You can use a peeler or you can use the knife just to peel off that hard outer skin. Another option would be if you don't want to mess with this, you can wrap it in foil and bake it in the oven. That's going to loosen the skin and then you'll just be able to peel it off nicely, but that is going to probably lead to a little bit more spilling of that color on your hands, whereas if you do it raw, it's not going to have as much of an impact.